What's up everyone? Welcome back to another quick and easy meal prep tutorial. Today we're going to be making some protein packed pasta. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post new videos and so you know what to make for the week, and also like the video please and share with your friends. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna start by making some pasta. Today what I'm gonna use is some red lentil pasta. I don't know if you can see it. And so this one pretty much has 26 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces. The whole package is 10 ounces. So I'm gonna start by boiling the water because this usually takes forever. In the meantime, while the water is heating up, I'm gonna grab a bowl and we're gonna start mixing some spices for some fish. We're gonna add some olive oil, garlic, onion powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, and some salt. So here I have 2 pieces of salmon and 2 pieces of cod. And now we're gonna use the seasoning that we just made, and we're gonna cover the fish with it. Now I'm gonna put my fish on the griddle. Now that the fish is cooking, we're gonna make some ground beef, but we're gonna use some ground bison. So this ground bison has 23 grams of protein in 4 ounces. Throw the bison in the medium pan. We're gonna add some salt, pepper, oregano, and some basil. Now we're just gonna mix it and cook it. Now that the water is finally boiling, we're gonna cook the pasta and just cook it according to the package instructions. Don't forget about your fish. Remember to flip it to the other side. The fish is done, so I'm gonna turn that off. And then the bison is also pretty much done, and the pasta is also done, so I'm gonna drain that out. I'm gonna divide the pasta into 4 containers, and then I'm gonna put the bison into 2 of them. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some tomato and basil pasta sauce. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these 3 pieces of chicken thigh into smaller pieces. And now I'm just gonna throw this chicken into the pan, which already has oil in it. We're gonna throw some salt, garlic powder, pepper, basil, and oregano, and then we're just gonna mix it and cook it. Now that the chicken is done cooking, I'm gonna put it on top of the other 2 pasta plates. And the last thing I'm gonna do is again put some pasta sauce on top. And there you have it. Another quick and easy meal prep for the week. Remember that what you eat is actually more important than exercising. So thanks again for watching. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you on the next one.